Hello, this is Tux. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be giving you a tour of Mannheim and Heidelberg, two cities in Baden-Württemberg. Other popular cities within the state include Stuttgart and Constance. My first stop is the water tower called Wasserturm. This water tower was said to be built between 1886 and 1889, and it's the first municipal water tower in Mannheim. And this is one of the first places you will notice when you take a bus or a tram around the city. And to add more beauty to the environment, you can see flowers being planted all around. On my way to the next stop, I came across this museum, though I didn't go in because it wasn't in my plan. So if you find yourself in Mannheim and you are a museum lover, ensure you visit. Shout out to Sarah for taking me on this tour and for being a good tourist guide. And our next hub is Marketplace. The market square hosts a farmers market every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and this is the best place to get fresh fruits, vegetables, flour, and cheese. This is one of the experience you should have if you find yourself in Mannheim.
You like it?
Okay, I'm gonna take this.
Anytime or any day you find yourself here, the Dampf noodle is a must try. It's so yummy and I can't really find the right words to use in describing the taste. And ensure you buy a sauce. The sauce helps to balance the taste, and the man has different flavor of sauce. We bought the vanilla flavored one. And as for the flowers and plants, I would say they are not so expensive. So if you are a lover of plants and flowers, you can as well grab one for your balcony or your room. While taking a stroll around the city, I entered this shop named Hema because I was curious about what is being sold here. And if you are new in Mannheim and you are looking for a place to buy your home utensils, kitchen utensils, and some gift items, this is one of the best places to visit. They have nice stuff and good quality ones.
Oh my god, how cute is this? You see? Tiny.
Yeah, baking.
Yeah,
You can use that for bread. And my next stop was IKEA. First, I would say when you enter IKEA, try to take a picture of the map on your phone. This will guide you easily to the sections you intend to visit or to shop. And IKEA has been on my bucket list for a long time. And since I found myself in a city that has IKEA store, I decided to pay a visit. Now let me share with you some interesting facts you should know about IKEA. IKEA's founder, Ingvar Kamprad, was said to have started the company in 1943 when he was just 17 years old. And he started by selling things like Christmas cards and fish from his bicycle when he was a child. And originally, IKEA is known to sell small goods like pens and wallets. But today, IKEA is well known for its furniture. IKEA is an acronym of initials which stands for the name of the founder and where he grew up. And it stands for Ingvar Kamprad from Hemtad Agunad. I don't know if I said it correctly. Hemtad is the name of the farm and Agunad is the name of the village in Sweden where Kamprad grew up. And the first physical IKEA store was opened in 1958. And now we have IKEA stores in different cities and different countries. You can go there for physical shopping or shop online and have it delivered in your home, in your city and country. And now that I've visited the store, the next on my bucket list is to visit the IKEA Museum in Hamhut anytime I find myself in the city. One honest review I would like to leave about IKEA is the affordability. The things sold there, the furnitures, the utensils are not that expensive from my point of view. Let me know if you agree with me in the comment section.
Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it, that thing you do? Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it, that thing you do? Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. me magic the way that you carry yourself. It's like you got this unspoken confidence, baby, you know it damn well. You get me fired up like holy, you hotter than hell. None can compete cause your presence is unparalleled. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing.
Heidelberg is just about 20 minutes away from Mannheim via train. So we decide to spend an afternoon in Heidelberg.
Then you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you
Welcome to Heidelberg.
Thank you.
be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go?
All we did was take a walk around the bustling streets while enjoying the moment.
I'll be your fool.
One thing I noticed was there are a lot of gift shops and cute gifts.
Hey, what up, girl? How you doing? I don't want to come on too strong or nothing like that, but I've been thinking about you. And I've been wondering. I've been wondering where you lay up. Where you at? So, sure. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Cinderella, I think I'll find your glass slipper, baby. Cinderella, I think you found your prince charming in me. I don't know much, but I do know that I'm feeling you. Hope that one day, maybe someday you'll be feeling me too. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to?
Have you ever been to Heidelberg or Mannheim, or do you live there? Let me know in the comment section what you love most about the cities.
You carry yourself.
We also took a walk across the bridge from which you can see the Heidelberg Castle. And here we took a rest to absorb the beauty of the environment. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Talks Delight. On this space, I upload easy food recipes, healthy drink recipes. I also upload lifestyle vlogs, travel vlogs, career vlogs, and easy DIY recipes. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. And do not forget to like the video.